Welcome. In front of me is a Axon 10 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel where we can find the Do Not Disturb mode, which is this little moon icon right here. And to enable it right away, you can just simply tap on it. It gets checked in blue like so, and it's now enabled. Now if you want to customize it and also set up a automatic rule for it, so it turns on by itself every, for instance, specific days, you can do that right here. So you have schedule right here, and you can either use the ones that come preloaded, which you have a sleep one and event, or you can tap on add more. I'm gonna select the time one, tap on OK, and I think I forgot to name it. Yeah, there we go. Let's name it, and there we go. So you have right here days, so you can choose the days that you want it to work in. Now as you will see, I'm creating a work one, so Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. So start time 9 and end time 5. And you have also an option to for alarms to be able to override the end time, which is a good thing to have enabled if you, for instance, set up an alarm for as a reminder for some kind of event or meeting, something like that. It will override the Do Not Disturb mode as it is. And then you have Do Not Disturb behavior, and you have the use the default setting, which will use the ones that we will set up soon, or you can create a custom one for just this mode, which has the same options as the user one, as I will go into. Just this one allows you to have different ones between different Do Not Disturb modes, for instance. So as an example, if this is your work, you could allow calls from, for instance, contacts or something like that, while on a different one, let's say that you set up for a home, after work, you might be able to want to block everything or something like that. So you have a little bit more customization here. And also another thing, once you leave it and you add the Do Not Disturb mode right here, the custom one, it's going to be automatically on. So if we go back right here to Do Not Disturb mode, we will be able to set exceptions. You have see all exceptions. You have allow calls. If you tap on it, it gives you calls from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts only, shared contacts, which is your favorite ones, and then don't allow any calls, so it just blocks everybody. And then you have shared contacts, that's for, well, the favorite contacts. That's because I don't have any added, and also there is no contacts in the device right now, so I have no contacts visible right here. But normally you could just add the contacts to favorites and then they would be affected immediately. And you also have this option right here, allow repeat callers. So this is a good emergency one, emergency option. If someone has an emergency and they really need to reach you, they usually call multiple times within like just couple minutes, and this will allow them to still reach you no matter what the setting right here is. You could be basically blocking everybody and they will still be able to call you. And then you have messages, same options right here, choose whichever one you want. And you have also some alarms, events and stuff like that you can check on. And this is just a general one that will work in the custom schedule that we set, and also just overall whenever you enable and disable this. So if you enable it manually, it will be affected by the exceptions that we have set right now. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.